Hello everyone, I am Rokon. Today I want to see GEO Audit. How can you get your business and also one result. Let's start. Firstly, 10 places per month. We analyze whether your company appearance in AI response, which competitor are recommended, and which signal you can reinforce to improve your clarity, authority, and generative presence. What does the analysis include? 5 real inquiries, review in ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity, comparison against 3 competitor, source cities, GEO AI visibility index, 3 recommended action. Okay, open a new tab and press the keyword and hit the enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the my client website GEO overview and also Google search here. Okay, lastly, we want to say we are we have already shared extended SEO knowledge, and today we are presenting another GEO live result. I hope this provides you with valuable sign and help us to better understand to core dynamic on your business. If you did like something similar, feel free to message me directly or you can check my schedule for availability. Thank you for being with Rokon Digital.